Hello guys, welcome back to another JTC Kid 10 video. Today we are talking trains, but not any trains. I'll talk about trains for nursery rhymes for kids. But first we're gonna see the real parts of trains. So steam locomotives have a whistle, they have arms, they have a funnel which exits the excess of steam, and diesels are electric. They had two sets of wheels with 3 wheels in each set, and they have a horn, and they use electricity. That's good. But on kids shows and nursery rhymes, it's a different story, because you're gonna cringe while you see this, and you're gonna say, "How is this on YouTube?" Well, let me show you. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, that's a steam locomotive! Can you see the whistle there? Okay, so this above a tray. Okay, so what is that? Dude, is this a steam engine or a diesel? Look, just look. It has the wheels have the arms. But it has a horn. Well, this is in another language. So if you know this language, let me say what the hell is saying here. Okay, that's the train. Well, it's alright. So, is that Thomas? What is Thomas doing there? Again, this is another language. Oh my God, that's a whistle, that's a horn! Well, it has steam, alright? Okay. So it's an ouch! Why? Why does his face look like that? Okay, this is another one. Wait a minute. Oh! Wait a minute. Okay! This is good. Well, but these ones don't make traffic sounds, okay. Very good. Oh God, what is that? So, this train has a whale face. The wheels don't have those arms. Also, I don't think that's a tender. Wait, no, that's a boxcar, bro. Okay. Okay. Wait, but boxcars boxcar wagons are not locomotives. They shouldn't say chugga chugga chugga. They are wagons, not locomotives. Okay, so how to hear that? Clickety clap, yeah. Okay. Bro, send help now. But guys, did you know what I found? I found one that's nursery rhymes, but it's totally perfect. Like, they have all the parts, but there's a problem. But there's just one problem, look. It's in another language. So if you watch this and understand this, can you please comment it what it says? Well guys, I'm just ending the video here, so thanks for watching.